In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine email and SMS marketing in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you're new to this area, don't worry. MailChimp keeps most of its marketing tools in a clear navigation menu, and once you know where to click, the process becomes much easier to repeat for future campaigns. From the dashboard, click on Automations. This is where you can create marketing journeys that send messages automatically based on what your audience does. Using automations is especially helpful when you want email and SMS to work together, because it allows you to create a smoother customer experience without sending every message manually. Once you're in the automation section, click Build from Scratch. This option gives you more flexibility and lets you create a custom journey based on your own goals. Instead of starting with a preset template, you'll be able to define exactly how and when your contacts should enter the flow. After that, enter a name for your automation. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to build several automations over time. A simple descriptive name can help you stay organized and make future edits much easier. Next, click Choose Trigger and select Sign Up for Email. This means the automation will begin when someone joins your email list. This is a useful starting point because it targets people right at the moment they show interest in your brand, which can make your follow-up communication more effective. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen to finish setting your trigger. MailChimp will guide you through the available options, and it's a good idea to review each one carefully so the automation starts exactly when you want it to. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid mistakes later. Once the trigger is in place, use the drag and drop builder to create the rest of your journey. This is where you'll connect your email and SMS marketing into one automated flow. The builder is designed to be visual and user-friendly, so you can arrange your messages in the order that makes the most sense for your audience. As you build, keep your communication clear and consistent across both channels. Email is great for more detailed content, while SMS works well for short, timely updates. Combining them in the same automation can help you reach people more effectively without overwhelming them. That's how to combine email and SMS marketing in MailChimp using a custom automation. Once everything looks right, review your setup carefully and continue with the on-screen prompts to finalize your journey.